Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of 6rb site. So 6rb is basically a website that promotes itself as a free generator for Robux, a virtual currency for the game platform called Roblox. So now let's stop and find out, is it actually worth it or it is actually a legit platform. As you can see, once I tried to opening their official website, I got to this page, and where you can see I'm instantly getting a lot of messages there where they're claiming some of their user got 5 million Robux coins, some of their user got 2.5 million Robux coins. So they also have a 24/7 support, but we never know where we can access it. So once I tried searching for the reviews of this website, I got to know like this platform is pretty much a scam. And the reason behind this is because they will actually sort of steal your Robux account, and this way they can access your already available coins. Because as you can see, they have a really bad trust score of 1 out of 100 on Scam Advisor website. And as you can see, I'm constantly getting a lot of messages. So this is a very much promoting and concerning thing about this. So in conclusion, I would say, like, based on these reviews, this platform is pretty much a scam, and you should avoid spending money and your linking your account with this platform. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.